How often? It is not often, often.
Example. She sometimes watch a movie.
Okay, continue.
Number 5. Adverbs of degree. Answer the question to what extent. Example. She is nearly a phrase with him. Most of the adverbs are made by adding suffixes to adjectives. Example. Intelligent, intelligently.
Okay, so that is all about adverb. So when we say adverb, there are different ways. Adverb of number 1. What is adverb of? Okay, adverb of manners. What else?
Adverb of place.
Adverb of place.
Adverb of time.
Adverb of time.
Adverb of frequency.
Frequency.
Adverb of degree.
Degree. Last 5 ra kabuok. Okay, very good. So who can explain briefly what you have understand in the first adverb? Adverb of manner. Nakasabot mo sa adverb of manner. What do you mean by adverb of manner?
Na muhatag og respeto.
What? Mohatag og respeto? Okay. Do you have any other answer? Sit down. Other students, do you have any idea what is adverb of manner based from what you read? Kasi makahatag og example. Okay, so ako i-explain ha each adverb. Okay, so this one. Adverb of manner. No, it is not respect. So, adverb of manner, answer the question how. When we say how, giunsa in Bisaya. Okay, giunsa. Yan na siya diri. He speaks slowly. So, giunsa man niya pag-speak?
Slowly.
Oh, that is the adverb of manner. Answer the question how. Giunsa. Do you understand? Okay. How about another example? Who can give another example sa adverbs of manner? Okay, Aljin.
He runs slowly.
Okay, he runs slowly. Okay, so that is adverb of manner. Because ni answer siya sa question nga how. Giunsa man niya pag sa tayo mong gihatag example dong?
He runs slowly.
Okay, giunsa man niya pag run?
Slowly.
Oh, slowly. So that is why it is adverb of manner kay gi-answer niya ang question nga how. Giunsa. Okay, kasabot? Okay, so let's proceed sa other adverb of place.
Annyeonghaseyo! So tonight I am going to make my math assignment. Annyeonghaseyo. So today I have no assignment but I need to study for my report tomorrow.